Hello class, good afternoon. So, sorry it's online, but today I will teach you how to solve for the roots of a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So previously I have taught you how to solve the roots by using completing the square, factoring, and extracting the square root. So this time we will be using the quadratic formula. So first, let us state the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is this: x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so let's try to use this formula to solve for the roots of a quadratic equation. For example, solve the equation x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. So let's find for the roots. The first step is to identify the values of a, b, and c. So in this case, your a is 1, your b is negative 3, and your c is negative 18. Okay, second step is to substitute the given values of a, b, and c to the quadratic formula. So let's write, that is the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b, that is negative times negative 3. You have to keep the negative sign, and then later on we will solve, plus minus square root of b squared, that your b is negative 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, and times c, which is negative 18, all over 2a is 2 times 1. Okay, next, simplify. X is equal to negative times negative 3, magiging positive 3, plus minus, or you can just remove the positive, it's understood na. And then square root of negative 3 squared is 9. So tingnan mo dito, may dalawa kang negative. So first, negative 4 times 1, negative 4. And then negative 4 times negative 18, you will obtain a positive answer. Positive 18 plus 18, 36 times 2, that is 72. All over 2 times 1, which is 2. Haba naman. Next is to simplify the radicand, yung nasa loob ng radical sign. So x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 9 plus 72, that is 81. 81 all over 2. Okay, and then simplify mo yung ulit yung nasa loob. X is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 81. Square root of 81 is 9 all over 2. Ay, wala ka ng radical sign. Okay, so natanggal mo na siya sa radical sign. Now, what you have to do is to have two solutions for that. Kasi meron kang positive, meron kang negative. So magkakaroon ka ng dalawang equation. So the first one is x is equal to, this is x sub 1, 3 plus 9 all over 2. X sub 1 is equal to 3 plus 9 is 12 divided by 2. And then x sub 1 is equal to 6. Next solution will be the minus. X is equal to 3 minus 9 all over 2. 3 minus 9 is negative 6 divided by 2. And negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. By the way, lagyan natin ng 2 kasi this is x sub 2. So your x sub 1 is 6 and your x sub 2 is negative 3. And these are the solutions of this quadratic equation.